guys, I can't believe it's September already. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my go-to makeup look for the fall. I've already used this primer all over my face by Rodeo Beauty. I'm gonna let it sit into my skin while we work on our eyes. I'm gonna be doing a really natural and matte eye look since we're gonna make the lips a little bit more dramatic. I'm gonna go in with Charlotte Tilbury's Brow Cheat to fill in my brows. Since I want to achieve a really natural and glowing look for my skin, I'm going in with NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I'm going in with this Real Techniques Expert face brush, and I'm just going to stipple this foundation all over the skin. I'm going in now with concealer. I'm going to start with my under eyes and I'm going to do my little trick. So I'm starting off with MAC's Prep and Prime in Bright Forecast. I'm going to use this to cancel out any sort of discoloration under my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer right now. This is the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. I'm also going to be applying concealer where I have a little bit of redness. So I finished doing the rest of my face makeup. Now let's move on to the fall inspired lips. This is my favorite combination. Both products are from MAC Cosmetics. The lip liner is Vino and then the lipstick is Rebel. So here's the way the lips look. I love that they're so dimensional and it's not just like a flat color. This next step is not necessary, but because I have this really pretty gloss by Dior, I'm just gonna be adding a little bit just to the center of my lips. And it looks really dark and pigmented, but as it fades, it's just gonna give your lips a really nice sheen. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'm gonna show you guys my favorite new falsies and I'm gonna be applying them on this makeup look.